Good morning. Time check tayo. 4:09. Aga kasi ng pick up natin na mag-hot air balloon tayo. Grabe. Aga kasi dahil sunrise yung hot air balloon eh. So, pang pick up natin at least 4:40. Ang aga. Grabe. Pagising ko lang. Coffee muna tayo. Medyo quiet muna tayo kasi marami pang tulog. Nandito na tayo, grabe. 5 something eh. Sunrise, ang ganda. Medyo exciting, di ba? Kakaiba naman to experience na to. Game na. Grabe. Sakay na kami. Mainit tong binubugan nito. Ito grabe, ang ganda. Ang init niya, grabe. Pero malamig naman eh, kaya okay na okay. Parang nainitan ka na din. Pero this is so cool. Grabe. Kung nandito ka sa Cappadocia, must try talaga to. Hindi mo dapat palampasin to. Medyo pricey lang siya pero must try mo talaga. It is a must try. Grabe. Hindi ka pa lumilipad, excited ka na.
I am your captain for today. I give some information for you, okay? Today flies standard flight. Standard flight 45 minutes or 1 hour 15 minutes. Finally and very important, landing position. When I say landing position, I face this side, my control room here. You face opposite side. Everybody turn this way, please. Front side, here is blue rope. Here is the blue rope. 2 hands keep, bend your knees and push back your body on the landing time.
Mahawak daw dito.
Push your body.
And then lean back.
Everybody show me landing position, please. Everybody show me landing position, please. Everybody show me landing position.
Lean landing position. Landing position. Like this. You know, you sit back. Yan.
Only this side. Your face this way.
Landing position kasi
Now is a show me
bagsak ka talaga rito.
position, please.
Landing position.
Now, show me landing position, please. Only front side. Here is. Understand the landing
Yes,
position?
yes.
Okay. Now is relax.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Landing position. O diba? Take off na tayo.
The sword palm.
Cappadocia maximum capacity 155.
Take off na tayo. Isa-isa na nagliliparan tong mga balloons na to. Sabi lang mga 100 balloons yan eh, more or less, di ba? About today, dahil maganda yung weather, eh, naka-take off tayo. Kasi minsan nakaka-cancel. So, lucky tayo, swerte tayo dahil nakalipad tayo. Hindi, naka-cancel sana, sayang. It is actually nice. Very relaxing. Grabe, mataas na kami! Oh my God! Ang ganda, this is so good!
We are now 650 meters above the ground level. 650.
650 meters? 650 meters above ground level. Ang taas na namin. Sobra. Ang ganda-ganda. Ang dami-dami ng balon sa katuwang tignan. You think so?
Yep.
Yeah? Beautiful morning?
And it's cold.
It's a beautiful morning. Lapit ng sunrise. The sun is coming out. Yeah. Sunrise yun mo. Bumababa na kami. 1 hour daw to, di ba? 1 hour. Bumababa na. Pero iikot-ikot pa siguro to.
Binibigay naman ng chance yung ibang umakyat siguro.
Oo, umiikot siya eh. So kung hindi mo makita yung view, iikot naman yun. Wala ka naman side. Kasi lugi ka naman, di ba?
On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, a place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
Yes! Yes!
Okay,
Kapay!
That you will be there when the rains are gone, like a light in the night. You will always be my home.
So habang nag-enjoy kami, nag-enjoy ka ba na? Ikaw, nag-enjoy ka?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Mare-recommend mo ba?
Oh yeah.
Highly recommended? Highly recommended?
Yep.
Oh, talagang highly recommended. Diba may pa drinks pa, tapos yung view mo, grabe. Ang ganda talaga. This is probably one of the best experience na nagawa natin. So, highly recommended. Grabe. Enjoy na enjoy kami. Now, tuloy ang araw natin. Siyempre, nagsisimula pa lang yung day natin. Let's go! Oh yeah, kakatapos lang natin nung hot air balloon sa may Cappadocia o Cappadocia. At muwi kami, nag-breakfast na kami. Ngayon, didiretso naman kami sa Avanos. Sikat daw yung sa pottery. So, susubukan natin mag-pottery at saka sa mga rivers. Marami daw rivers doon eh. So, yun naman, para hindi sayang yung day natin. It's a beautiful day. O, dumating na tayo. Nandito tayo sa Avanos o isang part to ng Cappadocia or Cappadocia. O, dito tayo mag-iikot kasi maraming pottery dito, marami ding rivers and lake. Let's go! O, ito. May statwa nila. Maraming pottery dito pa lang. Gawa sa clay din to eh. Oh. Iwasa Clay. Usong-uso talaga yung pottery dito. So hanapin natin yung pinagbuka natin kasi nag-book yung anak ko eh. So kailangan ata i-book. So hanapin natin kung saan yung pottery na to. Exciting, di ba? O, nakita na natin, dumating na tayo dito sa Avanos Pottery Workshop. O, dito susubukan natin mag-pottery. Ano, madali ba?
Hindi.
Hirap?
Hirap.
Hirap? Yung so daw dyan eh. Oh. Parang palayok lang yan. Oh. Is it hard?
Yeah.
Is it very hard?
Yeah, you need to like control it.
It's okay, that's why you're here. Oh, what's the water for? Para lang mag-wet siya?
Yeah, so you can mold it.
Ah, so you can mold it.
Yeah.
That's nice. So what are you making?
I don't know.
You don't know, like a
Making
pot?
cup. Yeah.
Oh, look at that!
Yeah, I know how to
Oh, look, that's so good! Oh, is he out of shape now?
Oh,
Be
no, no,
careful!
it's
Oh,
getting
no!
out of shape.
Yeah, save it, save it, save it! Save it!
stop,
Save it, save it, save it! Save it, save it! Save it, save it!
Oh no! Oh no!
Save it, save it! Oh, easy, easy!
Wait!
You okay?
Wait!
May butas na ilalim mo. It's a hole? Down?
No!
No, you make it slower. Yeah. Ah, yours is nicer. That's nicer. That's nicer. Well done, kid. Mga ginagamitan na ng parang ano ba yan?
So scared.
You scared? Okay lang yan. That's ano yan, parang ma-shape mo na
You need
patumingan.
gentle hands for
Yep,
this.
gentle hands. Yeah. Dito tayo sa kabila. How are they doing? Okay?
I think she is perfect.
Perfect.
Master.
She's the master. Can you keep her?
Yes.
Yeah, give her a job.
We are work together.
Oh, master! The master.
Look at that!
Oh, the master na to, master. Master na pala to. Oh, master. Tama yan pa sa halaman ko.
No, this is my mug!
Okay, it's your mug. Okay, fine. Dito namin nalaman na yung mga binipili kanina, yung mga naka-display, mahirap palang gawin. Sabi nga ni isa yung iba daw dyan, takes about more than 10 years of skill para lang magawa yung mga pottery na yan, yung mga naka-display na to. Di pala biro to, mahirap pala itong ano na to, kaya siguro medyo pricey siya. Now I understand. Art talaga siya, it's an art. Since artist yung daughter ko, dito kami, di ba, to learn pottery. Tapos na sila o ano, kamusta ang experience?
It's really fun.
Okay ba?
Maybe they can put it outside so you can
Yeah,
try
no,
it
it's
out.
okay. So, anong masasabi niyo doon sa
It was a good
experience na yun?
experience.
Mahirap ba
Very
gumawa
fun.
ng pottery?
For me, naging hard because I've got sore shoulder.
Ikaw na.
For me, it's okay, but I don't think I can do it by myself.
Bakit?
hard,
Why?
You
It's
need
hard.
someone to teach you
Yeah.
how to do it.
Kailangan may nag-guide, ano?
Yeah.
So, yung mga binibenta nila, ano talaga mahirap daw yun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gaano daw katagal
Takes
bago?
years.
Of skills,
Yeah.
experience?
Yeah.
Oh, grabe, no? Kaya mahal. Magkano ba yung mga ganun?
What do you mean?
Yung mga naka-display. Hindi mo alam.
Mura lang.
Pero grabe.
Kasi it's easy for them to do it na.
Yeah.
Mahirap palang gawin yun. O tara, kain muna tayo. Hanap tayo dahil lunchtime na. O time check, 12:21. Lunchtime, maghanap tayo na makakainan. O yan, mag-ano naman tayo, gondola. Diba? Nandito na tayo sa Avanos eh. Medyo mas mura siya. So, may sasamahan kami kasi kailangan daw 4. So, buti na lang may nakita kami isang turista rin dito. May share, diba? 20 minutes. Gondola ride. Let's go! Ay nako, nakakapagod no? Sige, magkape naman tayo. Try naman natin yung kape nila. Wow. Tapos na rin tayo. Grabe. Tapos na yung day 2 natin. Grabe, dami natin ginawa, no? Pero anyway, siguro dyan na natin tatapusin yung day natin. Grabe, pagod na ako. Medyo iinom tayo ng konti. Medyo kakain na tayo. At hopefully, ready na tayo for tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow, mayroon na naman tayong tour. Kung gusto mo itong video na to, please like and subscribe. At hit mo na rin yung notification bell button na yan para ma-notify ka sa susunod na video natin. Again, this is your Pinoy Vlogger. And I'll see you in the next one.